Thank you, Pete. Right now, the windy conditions not having too much of an impact, as you can see right here on the power grid. According to the National Grid's website, some customers are without power at this hour. New at 6, today's wind was strong enough to bring down this tree right here in Barrington. Eyewitness News reporter Kim Kalunian is live now from the mobile newsroom. Kim?
Well, Mike Shannon, this gusty wind had National Grid on high alert, and while only several dozen customers are without power right now, the wind has still left its mark. Ripped up by the roots. Owen Roberts had just returned home from Barrington High School, excited to see a college acceptance letter when he looked out the window and saw this.
And it's pretty crazy.
A massive tree in his backyard uprooted by the strong winds, tearing down their fence. Owen's father, Gordon, says he knew the tree would be a problem.
Yeah, I'd called a tree person a couple months ago.
But the tree removers never came.
God, I knew I should have had that tree down.
Despite its literal impact on the Roberts fence, the tree avoided houses, cars, and power lines. No one was hurt.
It's a bummer, but all things considered, everything's okay.
And again, this tree did not take down any power lines, but National Grid said they had extra crews out and about today, ready to respond to any outages caused by falling trees and limbs, the result of these powerful winds. Reporting live with the mobile newsroom, Kim Kalunian, Eyewitness News.